Hello, Blunt Truth, doing part 2, the comparison between the Leatherman Charge TTi and the Leatherman Wave S30V 420HC. Yes, we know who the winner is going to be in the edge retention test. Yes, I could just do all this off camera and tell you this one did 275 feet, this one did 100 feet or whatever. What fun would that be? Let's do it on camera. Of course, like the U2, I'm going to have to do some editing to make this work, but whatever. Trust me if you want to, don't if you don't want to. I figure I'll show you a little bit on wood so we can see how they do on wood. I guess I'll start with the Wave. See how they do. I gotta wear the glove right off because I know it's gonna be too uncomfortable for wood. And like I said, the big difference is comfort and use. I really like the comfort of the Charge. AL is the best deal. But if you've got money to burn, which I don't, but I do it anyway sometimes, the Charge AL is a better deal than the Charge TTi, in my opinion. 154 cm is good enough steel. You don't need the gut hook. This is really good. Both of these were super sharp. I sharpened them right up real nice. Jeez. They actually seem like for some reason it seemed like the 420 did better on the wood than the S30V. That's interesting. It does. That's weird. I wonder if there's a little difference in the grind. I don't know. Seems like the 420 did better on the wood. Huh. Alright, well I got my 18-inch and 24-inch cut pieces. Trust me, they both shave. They should shave, even after a little bit of wood. I'll start with the Wave. We'll kill it until it don't shave. Do a little editing here, and we'll stop at 50 feet. 17 cuts, this 18-inch. And we'll see where we are. See if it shaves. I'll show you a little bit of how it cuts the cardboard. Okay, just did 50 feet with the Wave 420HC. Got my official knife testing shorts on here. The knife testing shorts. Okay. Still shaves. 50 feet. Good shaving. Yep, still shaving. Alright, I'm going to go on to 100 feet. Okay, just did 100 feet and it's probably dull now because it ain't cutting for shit. Sucked. It's hurting the hell out of my hand right through the glove. Really hard pushing it through the cardboard. Shaving a little bit. Not really though. Yeah, a little. It's getting some hairs, but it's pretty much gone. You know, tell you what, I'll do another 50 feet. We'll see where it is. Okay, 150 feet, which is right where the Felgneven U2 failed, and this cheapo 420HC feels pretty sharp. Still, doesn't cut the cardboard like it did in the beginning though. That's for sure. Takes a whole lot of effort, but feels pretty good. Yeah. That's all done. Get a couple here. Nah, it doesn't shave. Gets a couple hairs off, but basically done as far as shaving. Feels good though. Held up real well. I was surprised. It actually did better than OS80. So I guess the heat treating that Leatherman uses on the 420 is pretty good because it did well. Alright, let's go to the S30V here from Charge TTi. Okay, I'm at 100 feet now with the TTi. I'm sure it'll shave. Should. Easily. No problem. Right in the middle. I'm doing the cutting. It shaves. Okay, 150 feet with the S30V Charge TTi. It's slicing through the cardboard pretty good still. I'm sure it'll probably shave. Yeah, still shaving. Not real clean, but shaving. So keep going. Yeah, kill the camera. Alright, I went to 200 feet with the S30V Charge, and I'm thinking it's dull because watch how it cuts. It's really hard to push it through now. I don't know if you can judge from just like watching and hearing how poorly it's cutting the cardboard now, but it sucks compared to how I started out with it. So probably won't shave. Let's find out. 200 feet. Leatherman S30V. Get so you can see. No way. Nothing. Nothing. So, 200 feet, you know, that's surprising, really. Not that this did 200, because all S30Vs aren't the same, you know, just because something else does more doesn't mean this one will do the same. Pretty dull. So really there isn't a whole lot of difference. The 420 wave did just fine at 150 feet before it wouldn't shave. This did 50 feet more, or less than 50 feet more. So I'd say if you're buying it for the blade, just go with the wave, except for the comfort issue. It just isn't that comfortable using it because of the way, like I said, all the rough edges, sharp edges. But I like my Charge, and it comes with a nice sheath and all the extra tools and attachments and stuff, so It's up to you if you think it's worth it, but don't spend the extra money for the better steel of the blade, because that is not worth it. That's the reason why you're spending more. So that's the end of my comparison. Thank you. Bye.